Hello.
What are you?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are
Hi.
you?
Fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Tell me like a little bit about what you do, what you like.
Oh, yes. I am Washim. I'm from Bangladesh
Mm-hmm.
and I am teacher.
Okay, what do you
I am
teach?
also I teach English in my school.
Okay, okay. And you said you're a part-time teacher. What do you do other than that?
Yes, I do freelancing. I am a YouTuber too.
Okay, you're a YouTuber. Okay, what is it
Yes.
like being a YouTuber? Like, how is one a YouTuber? Like, what kind of videos
Sorry.
do you make? What is a YouTuber? Like, explain that process of how one becomes.
Actually, I mostly try to make educational videos. I have two channels. First one is related to education, and another channel that is my blog. And I mostly upload videos of natural
Okay,
beauty related to agriculture.
okay. That sounds interesting. Can you explain a little bit about how you got into the natural beauty kind of like situation?
Actually, Bangladesh is a green land, you can say.
Mm-hmm.
It is really wonderful, and the world know a little about Bangladesh, its beauty. And so I try to upload videos showing the beauties of Bangladesh, the green field,
Okay.
crop field, and the trees. And sometimes I find that birds are chirping on the trees, and it is blowing modest wind. I try to capture the moment. Sometimes I go to the field and try to capture the activities of the farmers doing in the field.
Okay.
That is very not artificial or gorgeous, but very much natural. And you, from my video, can get the real picture of my country. Okay.
Okay. What is so I know Bangladesh as a country. My cousin is half Bangladeshi. But
Sorry.
what are some things that
Sorry, you are half Bangladeshi, or
no, I'm not. My cousin, not me.
your cousin.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
great.
what is something about Bangladesh that people don't know about?
Can you say that again?
What is something about Bangladesh that people don't normally know about?
Bangladeshi people normally know about, right?
No. What is something about Bangladesh that people normally don't know about?
Don't know about.
So like people from different countries, they don't know about Bangladesh.
Yes,
What is something? Yeah.
Yes, people from different countries. Look, there are press and there are mass media. There's mass media in Bangladesh, and the mass media cannot go corner to corner in each corner of Bangladesh. Okay, but we, the general people, can go to the to every corner of Bangladesh, and for the for YouTube, we can upload videos of my area, our another friend, or many other YouTubers from my country capture video around him or her, and thus as too many YouTubers, too many footage on different occasion, different moment. Thus, we can easily show my country what is happening, how is the condition, how is the nature of my country in different places, but it's okay.
Okay. What is your favorite thing about living in Bangladesh?
It's my country. I was born here. I have relatives, parents here, and actually I feel like at home when
Yeah.
I am in Bangladesh. Maybe it is my own district or to other district. Actually, I am living in different district,
Okay.
but I feel like at home because here my relatives, my country is like mother to me.
Okay. That's interesting.
People speak same language. We understand each other. Our culture is same. But
Okay.
and when someone go to different countries, he faces new culture, new people, and it increases his knowledge, right?
That's true. You can increase your knowledge from traveling to a different country, learning about a different country. Where
And so,
would you like to go?
and so I am in Cambly, and I want to meet new people. And talk to new people and share my idea with new people from different countries, especially from the countries where native language is English.
Okay. So, what kind of people, like, who is the most interesting person you want to meet? Like, what kind of people do you want to meet? People who, know more about science, people who know more about technology, or you just want to meet everybody with different ideas?
Actually, I like people who is very much associated with technology
Okay.
and who is very much
So,
friendly.
okay.
I don't like the people who are always serious on things.
About things. Yeah, okay. So, why did you choose to become a part-time English teacher? Like, why teach English?
People of my country speak Bangla, and English is an international language, and that's why to reach the every branch of knowledge, we must learn English because the world famous books are translated or written in English.
That's true. A lot of books are translated into English from like many different cultures. Have you read a lot of books?
Yeah, I try to.
Okay. What is the best book that you've ever read that's changed your life?
Okay, actually, different books I have read, but if I go to say about foreign writers, I will first say about Lev Tolstoy from Russia.
Okay. Tolstoy, very famous author.
And his books I have read, that is, I cannot say that in English. In Bangla, that is Kishore Samagro, that deals with education, children's short story. I have also read the War and Peace of Lev Tolstoy, War and Peace.
Okay.
Again, I have read different books of William Shakespeare. And his tragedies are really awesome. I have read.
Yeah, his tragedies, those are really good. If you could read, there's this new book. It's quite interesting. It's called The Tattooist of Auschwitz. It's a really good book. It talks about like what happened during World War II with the German concentration camps and this guy who had to mark all the prisoners that came in and their stories. So that's a quite interesting book as well if you're looking for something nice to read.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. My time is going out, and I don't know where are you from.
I'm from Malaysia.
You're from Belgium.
Malaysia.
You are born. You are born Malaysian. Sorry,
yeah.
Where was? What's your birthplace? America or Malaysia? Malaysia. Oh, very good. Then how old are you?
22.
22. Oh, very nice. And what do you do? What's your
Oh, I'm
profession?
a student. I'm a student. I'm still studying.
Oh, very nice. What
Mhm.
subject are you studying, please?
I study international relations and languages.
Oh,